My question is to the Attorney-General, the member for ICAC. The Labor Party went to the election with a commitment to legislating the National Anti-Corruption Commission. One of the design principles in this policy was that the NACC would have the power to hold public hearings. Could the Attorney please explain why public hearings are essential requirements for an integrity commission and rule out any deals which remove that power?
I give the call to the Attorney-General.
I thank the member for Wentworth for her question.
Members on my right and left.
I thank the member for Wentworth for her question and thank her for the constructive engagement that she has shown with me during the extensive consultation that I have had with the whole of the parliament, including the opposition, crossbench in both houses, on the formation of this legislation. And I do look forward to introducing the legislation for a National Anti-Corruption Commission this week. And I'll say again, the Australian people believe in integrity. The Australian people voted for a government which will deliver a powerful, transparent and independent National Anti-Corruption Commission. It's a commission which will have jurisdiction to investigate serious or systemic corruption and will deliver a central pillar of the integrity framework in this country. It will help restore trust and enforce standards of integrity and accountability in our federal government system. Some 3 years ago, Labor released design principles based on the advice of experts which will ensure that the Commission operates effectively. The legislation which we are bringing to the parliament will reflect these principles. And going to the specific matter that was raised by the member for Wentworth, that went to the holding of public hearings. One of the deficiencies of the model that was put forward by the former government, who of course never brought legislation to the parliament, one of the deficiencies was that public hearings would not be available in respect of allegations made against ministers or allegations made against members of parliament. As I said repeatedly during public debate about the model that the former government had put forward, that was wrong. And we have made clear in our design principles that not only that public hearings must be available to this commission, because that's something that the experience of the 8 existing state and territory commissions has shown us. In order for an anti-corruption commission such as we are proposing to be fully effective, there must be the possibility of public hearings, and that's what the parliament will see in the legislation that we bring to the parliament later this week.